Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use PayPal for Amazon payments. Right, so as you can know, PayPal is available in certain countries, and if you are one of those countries, then only you can buy products from Amazon by using PayPal, right? So let's say I will just like to buy this product here. I will click on buy now. Now here you'll see a lot of option for the payment here, but as you can see here in my region PayPal is not accepted. That's why there's no option of PayPal. But in your case, if PayPal is available, then you can just buy and select any one of them. But let me show you a different method from which you can just carry your by using PayPal, even though if you're not one of those region, right? So you can do this by buying a gift card. So as you can see here, Amazon gift card, just go to Google and search for it, and here you will get a lot of websites here, and you can just select any one of them, and you can just buy by using this gift card by paying for PayPal, right? And you can use those gift card here, and in this way you can buy, but this is a very lengthy process. I hope you understand both of the methods. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.